Hey there! Welcome to our journey into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and its impact on marketing. Today, we'll explore how AI is revolutionizing the way businesses connect with their audiences and personalize experiences at scale. So, let's dive in. AI has come a long way in recent years, transforming from a futuristic concept into a vital tool for marketers. It's helping businesses analyze massive amounts of data, predict customer behavior, and optimize campaigns like never before. By leveraging AI, companies can now make smarter decisions and achieve better results, more efficiently. One of the most exciting aspects of AI in marketing is its ability to deliver personalization at scale. Through advanced algorithms and machine learning, AI can tailor content and offers to individual preferences, creating unique experiences for each customer. This level of personalization not only enhances customer satisfaction, but also drives loyalty and boosts sales. Imagine a world where every interaction feels just right for you. That's the power of AI in marketing. Video content has become a cornerstone of digital marketing. It captures attention quickly and can convey complex messages in an engaging way. Studies show that users spend 88% more time on websites with video. So, if you want to boost engagement, video is the way to go. Plus, it's highly shareable, making it perfect for social media platforms. Voice search is changing the way we interact with technology. With the rise of smart speakers and voice assistants, optimizing for voice search is more important than ever. Did you know that 50% of all searches will be voice searches by 2020? To stay ahead, focus on natural language and long-tail keywords. And remember, voice search is all about convenience and speed. Data privacy is a critical concern in today's digital age. Users are becoming more aware of how their data is being used and are demanding greater transparency. It's essential to build trust by protecting user data and being clear about your data policies. After all, a single data breach can significantly damage your reputation and erode customer trust. In conclusion, staying up to date with the latest digital marketing trends is crucial for success. From leveraging the power of video content to optimizing for voice search and prioritizing data privacy, these strategies can help you stay ahead of the curve. Thank you for joining us, and we hope you found this information valuable. Until next time, keep innovating and adapting to the ever-changing digital landscape.